I've been wanting to get some new porch lights for a while now. So luckily I got these new porch lights sent to me to make a video about. These porch lights are pretty nice. They have an LED bulb on the bottom and they have an LED bulb on the top. So they should be pretty bright. I really like the way the light comes out from the glass right here. Puts a nice pattern on the wall there. I really like the light patterns like that. That's really nice. Puts out a lot of light here too. It's really bright. Just as bright as my other porch light. You can see how bright those LED bulbs are. Yeah, those are really bright. And you can see the way they are there with the glass around it. I think that might be plastic, but it looks like it's glass. There's also a light sensor on here, so you can see during the day the light shuts off there when the light hits that, where the other porch light's still on. So that's a really nice feature. If you forget to turn your porch lights off, they'll shut off automatically when the sun comes up. They are a little smaller than the old ones there. They're not quite as big, but they're just as tall, and they should be just as bright or even brighter with the LED bulbs in there. All right, we'll go ahead and take these off and put these on, and then we'll see how they look. Just make sure you turn your power off before you get started there. So we got the power off. This is the hall entryway. All right, this is what it looks like here once I took the old light off. There's the black wires there, that would be the line wires, and there's the white wires, that'd be the neutral wires. There's the copper wire for ground, and then this is connected to the box there, and then it's got this little sliver here, so I'm thinking that I'm just going to go ahead and try and connect this to the box. I'll see if that fits. We'll see if I can use this bracket that's in here. This is the one that came with it. This is what it looks like here, and it looks like these nibs would go on the outside right here. And so we'll see how this lines up there. Okay, it looks like it fit on there. I was able to screw that in there on both sides here. And then I got my black wires here, my line wires, and I got my white wires, my neutral wires. I got my copper. There's also a ground right here. So we'll get out the light and connect it here. We'll put the copper to here and the black to black and the white to white. Here's how the light looks back here. We got our white wire for neutral, our black wire for the line, and then we got our copper wire there. Just go ahead and hook those up real quick. All right, so this is how I got it set up here. I got black to black and white to white, and then I got the copper up there. This was a little bit short here, so I just kind of loosened up that screw there, and then I could pull this out here a little bit more to give me a little more room there, so we'll try that. All right, we got it all hooked up. We'll go ahead and turn the power back on and see how it looks. Okay, there it is compared to the old one. Oh, that looks nice. Yeah, look at that. The other thing that you need to remember is the directions also say to put some silicone in here, some clear silicone around there, so that it has a good seal there to protect it from the elements. You can see how bright those LED bulbs are. Yeah, those are really bright. Change the bulbs, you just unscrew it right there, and then take the cap off and you can put a new bulb in there. Just remember, if you install it during the day, it might not come on because it's got that light sensor right there, and so it won't come on until it gets dark. You can see how it looks here in the day. It's got a nice low profile look. So yeah, that low profile design can really make a difference too. Not only does it look nicer, it takes up less space, where you can see how much more of the old lights stick out there. But yeah, that light sensor really makes a difference. I'm always forgetting to turn my porch lights off, and so this will just shut off automatically. So yeah, having that little light sensor there is really nice.